There are several things that you should bring with you on your very first meeting with a personal injury attorney. The first thing is your insurance declarations page. That should be easy to get if you just call your insurance agent and say, I need a copy of my insurance declarations. And the reason we do that, you can watch other videos on this website talking about what to do if another person who's uninsured hits me, or those sorts of things. There are reasons why we need to know what your insurance coverage is. Additionally, we need to know what your med pay is. If you have any medical expense payments coverage, which you're entitled to claim against your own personal policy. And we can explain that in more detail when we meet with you. The second thing you need to bring is whatever exchange of information form that the officer or the Virginia State Police trooper has given you with the contact information and the name of the person who hit you. We need to know who that person is for several reasons. First, to make sure that there's no conflict, we need to make sure that we haven't represented that person in the past, or that we're not currently representing that person before we can talk to you about your case. The second reason is we need to know if we accept your case, who we are going to sue on the other side, and we need to have that contact information available. The other thing that we need to know when you first come to your free strategy session is whatever medical bills and whatever treatments you've had. So whatever records you have regarding your treatment or whatever bills you've received, we need to know what those are. Those help us to get a better sense of what type of case you have, whether you need an attorney or whether you don't need an attorney. Because some cases, to be honest, do not need an attorney to successfully resolve. And we can help you take one of two tracks. We can help you resolve your case on your own. We can tell you what you should be thinking about and what you should demand and how you should negotiate. Or we can tell you that we really think that you need an attorney to help you with this. And in order for us to make that value judgment, we have to see what type of treatments you've had so far. So whether it's the actual bill from the healthcare provider or an explanation of benefits from your health insurance company, we need to see that so that we can help you evaluate what type of case you have.